ready to uncover the key to true happiness? In a world filled with stress and challenges, it may seem impossible to find joy in everyday life. But fear not, for I'm here to guide you on the path to pure bliss. Happiness is not a destination. It's a journey. It resides within each and every one of us, waiting to be discovered. It begins by shifting our mindset and embracing gratitude for the simple things in life. Take a moment to pause and reflect on all the blessings surrounding you. It could be as small as the warm sunlight caressing your skin or the sound of birds chirping in the distance. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the doors to happiness. Embrace your passions and engage in activities that light up your soul. Whether it's painting, dancing, or playing an instrument, allow yourself to immerse in the joy of the present moment. It's through these moments of flow that we find true happiness. Nurture your inner self through self-care practices. Clear your mind and let go of the worries that weigh you down. Find solace in meditation or yoga, where you can connect with your inner self and cultivate a sense of peace and contentment. True happiness is often found in the connections we make with others. Be the bearer of kindness and spread joy wherever you go. Smile at strangers, lend a helping hand, and watch as the ripple effect of happiness spreads throughout your community. Nurture your relationships and surround yourself with loved ones who uplift your spirits. Celebrate the bonds that bring you joy and create memories that last a lifetime. Happiness is amplified when shared with those who mean the most to us. Finally, allow yourself to marvel at the beauty of the world around you. Look up at the star-filled sky, witness a breathtaking sunset, or feel the gentle touch of a breeze on your skin. Embrace the awe-inspiring wonders of the universe and let them fill your heart with pure bliss. Remember, happiness is not a destination. It's a way of life. By shifting our mindset, practicing gratitude, engaging in our passions, nurturing ourselves and our relationships, and embracing the beauty around us, we can unlock the path to true happiness. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets to everyday happiness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-transforming content.